In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Hostinger account in 2024, whether you're new to Hostinger or just need a refresher. This tutorial will guide you through each step to ensure you can access your account without a hitch. To get started, you will first need to head over to the Hostinger website. Simply open your preferred web browser, like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, and type in hostinger.com in the address bar. Hit enter, and you should be welcomed by Hostinger's homepage. The Hostinger website is well designed and offers an array of services for bringing your online ideas to life, from website building to hosting. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to locate the Pricing tab. This is typically found at the top of the page. Clicking on Pricing is a standard step to give you an overview of Hostinger's various plans and offerings, although for the login process, we'll be moving forward to access our account. Next, you're going to need to secure your login credentials ready, your email address, and password. Click on the email address field to bring your cursor into the text box where you can enter your email. Be sure to input the email address you used when setting up your Hostinger account. This step is crucial as it ensures that Hostinger recognizes and connects you to your specific user profile. After you've entered your email, it's time to move on to the password. Click on the password field, and now you'll need to type in the password you chose upon creating your account. Remember to enter your password carefully. It's case sensitive, meaning that any incorrect use of uppercase or lowercase letters could result in a failed login attempt. If, by chance, you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's usually an option to recover or reset your password, often labeled as Forgot Password, to help you regain access. Now that both your email and password are entered, it's time to complete the login process. Typically, there will be a Login button right below where you've entered your login information. This is the final step to sign in, so go ahead and click that button. If your credentials are correct, you should be swiftly redirected to your Hostinger dashboard where you can manage your services, track your website analytics, and explore new features that Hostinger has to offer. And there you have it. You've learned how to log into your Hostinger account efficiently. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out to Hostinger's support team or refer to their help center, where a wealth of resources is available to you. Thank you for watching, and happy hosting!